As you know, I've been working on an online course, and today I'm going to share all of the details with you. Revit Architecture Mastery helps architects and the students go from feeling unprepared and lost, lacking foundational knowledge in their journey, to achieving mastery in Revit, becoming Revit advanced and a skilled user, so that they can confidently take on challenging projects and also advance their career in AEC or BIM industry. This course is dedicated to Revit architecture. It is an online course, so you can access to it anytime, fitting it into your schedule at your own pace. It is structured into over 30 chapters, each containing multiple bite-sized sections lasting 10 to 20 minutes. You will have lifelong access to all of the future videos, enabling you to watch and rewatch them whenever necessary, as well as all of the future updates. You're going to work on the latest version of Revit, ensuring that everything you will learn is up to date. We're going to start with absolutely basics, gradually moving into advanced topics. So this means that even if you are completely new to architecture, or if this is your first software, you can completely understand and get the most out of the course. The process? It's actually super easy. First, make sure you can set aside 2 hours each week for watching the videos and another 2 hours for practicing what you have learned. This is just the starting point, so if you can find more time, that's fantastic. Next, enroll into the program. Start watching the videos and practice until you finish the course. It's just that straightforward. You will gain access to our private community where you can connect with others and get support whenever you need it. If you face any challenge or issue along your way, we will be there to support you in each step. This course is designed for architects who want to stay ahead in their industry, for students who want to excel in their architectural studies from the start, for employees looking to enhance their skills for career advancement, and for anyone who has struggled with incomplete courses and wasted time. If you can relate to any of these situations, this course is specifically designed to support your success. The course will be available for enrollment next Wednesday. Please note that we are in pre-launch, which means that the content of the course has not yet been fully recorded. But once you enroll, you will have access to first 2 weeks. During this creation process, we will upload 2 chapters each week, and by the end of 3 months, the content of the course will be completed fully. But if this doesn't align with your interest, I totally understand it. Perhaps you prefer to have the final product, or just the timing is not right for you. Please feel free to take your time and join us whenever you are ready. Most important thing for me is that you have the best experience with this program, and you need to know that you are always welcome to join us and start your journey. We also have a 7-day full refund guarantee, so you can purchase with confidence. If after a week you feel like that the course is not right for you, you can request the 100% refund. This was everything you need to know about the course. Mark your calendar for the next Wednesday, and in the meantime, check the site and sign up with your email so you'll be notified first and receive additional bonuses. Thank you so much for watching until now, and I will see you next time.